How to add multiple links on your Instagram bio. So let's not waste any more time and head right to it. First, you open your app, you click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, here you'll find an option of add link. Click on add link. For example, I clicked on add external link and I pasted the URL. Once I added the link and I go back, it will show I have already added one link here. To add another link, you can click on the link option and click on add another link, and you can put another link and have multiple links. And this is only valid for the new update of Instagram. And if you feel your Instagram is not updated, make sure to go to your Play Store or App Store and update it. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.